in all respect.
Japanese Deputy Chief of Mission in India, Kawazu Kunihiko, met the Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong to discuss projects that Japan have sanctioned through JICA in the state. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, Prestone Tynsong informed that Japanese language will be introduced in Nehu very shortly to understand the culture of Japan and to strengthen the ties between the two countries. On the other hand, Kunihiko said that both Meghalaya government and Japanese government is keen to strengthen the relationship in tourism and trade sector.
I'm told that this university will start the Japanese language course soon, and this is the very big step forward from our point of view, because the Japanese language is always the very important step to understand the Japanese culture.